Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get faster internet speed when you change a simple settings. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. In the search bar, you have to search for SIM Toolkit. Here it is. You have to press on this. Now in the option of SIM Toolkit, you can see here storage and cache. You have to press on this. Now you can see here clear cache. You have to click on clear cache to get faster internet speed. Click on it. That's it. So this is how to get faster internet speed when you change a simple settings. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.